Today we'll be talking about what qualification must I possess to become an expert in social media management. 1. Educational background. Formal education. It's not that compulsory. You just need at least you should have experience on marketing, communications, and the likes. The other one is also certification. You can go online and find courses, search for courses online. It will help. You're going to need. You will need content creation skills, analytics, and metrics. You should be able to analyze the metrics for your clients, or if you're building your own personal social media brand. Strategic thinking is compulsory. Community management, now to manage comments, messages, SEO knowledge. You should have knowledge about SEO. Then also have knowledge about ads too. You need experience, hands-on practice, work on your own projects, internships, subscribe to internships, freelance work. Offer your services to clients to develop real-world experience. There are some things you do for free to gain experience. Please do it if you want to grow. You need scheduling, graphic design, video editing, social listening, analytics. You need all these things, all these tools. There are things you can easily go online, search about them, know how to use them, then they will help you grow. And the analytics too. These Google Analytics and Business Suite are very easy to use, so use them. Ability. Stay updated with the latest social media trends and platform updates. When you go to Twitter, you see the trends, follow the trends, create content with it. Be ready to adapt strategies to align with new algorithms and user behavior. Do this. Everything about social media is being targeted towards these highlighted skills: creativity, communication, time management, problem solving. If you know you want to go in 2025, work on these things and you will see yourself at the top. You might not be able to get enough gig, but you'll be able to build a brand, uh, an exceptional one at that. See you next time, my next class.